I love October and I love pumpkins. And one of my favorite pumpkin recipes is a pumpkin strudel. If you don't have pumpkins, this recipe can also be made with sweet meat squash, which we are using today.
Watermelon.
It smells like a watermelon and cantaloupe together. It's just so good. Step is to clean the seeds out of the squash. Before we take the skin off, cut them in small, manageable pieces. Next is shredding. We are starting recipe with a cup of olive oil and 8 cups of shredded squash, a cup of sugar, a cup of raisins, and 2 cups of walnuts. Instead of chopping it, you can break the walnuts using your hands. Next are spices, so we are going with a teaspoon of cinnamon, about a half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. All that's left to do is to add a touch of vanilla. Allow it to cook for a few minutes and then we're going to start rolling the strudel. Use the rest to make a pie and soup. Now let's wrap this filling in VLADA'S sheets. VLADA'S sheets are made out of a very thin dough and they can be purchased in your local grocery store in a frozen section.
Now I'm using the same baking sheet that we used for pumpkins, so this parchment paper is still good. Let's not waste. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil on top. Okay. And then we're just going to lay these babies like this.
And continue the process until you have used up all the VLADA'S sheets and the stuffing.
And here we go.
As you can see, we have used up some of the squash to make a pie, so we're baking pie and the strudel together. You're going to need about 35 minutes on 350 for the strudel, or when it gets golden brown on top, it should be done. I'm so proud of my sous chef Abby. One squash and countless possibilities. We have our squash soup, pie, and my favorite strudel. Thank you for spending time with us, and please join our channel.